Welcome to my short video about the iconic flagship Sony Ericsson W995 phone, which was released in 2009, and it is the pinnacle of the Sony mobile phones at the time. A very compact phone that had great camera and music capabilities. I've got the three models here which came out, and starting on this side we've got Progressive Black, we've got Cosmic Silver and Energetic Red. So what I'll do is I'll turn this one on and show you this phone while the other one's booting up. So it's got all the controls on the side for the music, previous, next, play, pause. There's also a decent camera on the back with a flash, 8.1 megapixels. Not particularly good for video, I would say, this phone, but good for still pictures. So let me just take that cover off because I think it's not on straight. There you go. That's back on straight now. So the memory card that came in this phone is a Sony memory stick card, so not SD or anything. And just to give you a look of the menu. Okay, let's jump back. So it starts off with messages, camera, T-Mobile menu. Start again. Web and walk, entertainment, media, Walkman, settings, organizer, calls, location services, contacts, back to messages again. So the camera in here is similar to the C905. This phone is quite a premium product because they have the icon on the back, which is to do with sort of showing that it's a premium phone with a camera, basically, of the time. So let's have a look at some of these menus. So let's go. I seem to not be very good at navigating this. So into the menu we can have a look. It's updating at the moment because the phone's just been switched on, and I think it will do that every time you turn the phone on. So probably best thing to do is to leave the phone switched on, and obviously with the screen off and the slider down. So let's go into music, and we've got the current song that was playing, and Fun Loving Criminals, eh? Who remembers them? Actually, I saw them in Portsmouth in Hampshire, England, back around the time that they were becoming famous. So let's just stop that a minute. There you go. We don't want this video to be excluded from YouTube because I've put a song on there. So yeah, a really nice phone to use. It's got the standard keypad here. This one's a bit of a hybrid of the black and the silver because it's basically one phone made from two at the time, but this was the one I did use a fair bit as well, and these I got later, really just as collector items. So the red one's quite nifty, but the black would have been the most common one, and they've all got this sort of kickstand as well, so they will stand up. Maybe I should do that with this one as well. So I'll just quickly go over some of the features, and the features were Bluetooth. They could basically use a Bluetooth headphones headset or external speaker, so that was pretty nifty at the time. So something like that, basically. They've got stereo speakers built in, and there's various navigational apps, and there's Wi-Fi, there's 3G, and I believe it's got the standard 2G as well. It's got a FM radio. There's various sort of tools on there to do photo and video editing. And yeah, a really neat sort of device, and I would have said probably aimed at the mobile sort of 20-30-year-olds at the time, so that's probably the target. And the thing I like about it is even now you can still use it as a reasonable music player. So although you might not have tons and tons of memory, you can have I think you can have sort of 16 gigabytes on the M2 card, so it's not too shabby if you can actually get hold of them. Yeah, let's just have a quick look here. And so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this short video about the fantastic W995 Sony mobile phone. If you like this video, I'll do a few more, and please like it and subscribe. Thank you, and see you again soon. Bye bye.